Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to Long Range Weather Forecast discussion for January 7th to the 21st. First, we're going to talk about the impending system for the east. We're going to go back here to the beginning. And here we are Thursday, Friday. Here's our low, excuse me, that we're forecasting here, developing over the southeast. Then we go to Friday morning. It's a quick mover, but it brings, this is the GFS solution, brings quite a bit of snow, or a potential for quite a bit of snow. I shouldn't jump the gun. It looks like the heaviest snow here began at central and southern Jersey, but there'll be a wintry weather event occurring in the east. Now we're going to look at the European deterministics. There's a low. A little further south. This will depend on the exact track of the system. Then we'll look at the European ensembles. Further to the south, this is the Canadian. Further north, and yeah, the 540, and it shows snow. And now we'll look at the NAM. The NAM is further, well, here's, oh, wait, okay, here's the NAM, further south. Now we're going to take a look at the ensemble means. This is the, where the low, the members, the European members come into place with the surface low. Now we'll go to Thursday. And you can see, then we come to early Friday. It's like, these are where the certain members forecast the track to be. Then we go further into Friday, and you can see there's a wide range closer to the coast, away from the coast. Here's one member that's way to the south, almost like the system that we just had. So this still need to be watched. And as we begin the period, the system will exit the northeast on Friday. You can see here, exit the coast, and it'll be followed by this surge of cold high pressure system. All right, so now we're going to get back to the regular part of the forecast. This is for September 7th to the 11th. September 7th to the 11th. We still have a broad trough here across much of the country, and we still have our ridge here north of Alaska, and a ridge builds here into west. And that's what we're looking at. Now, the west will experience a better weather condition as the ridge builds across the region. And then a system in the plains will be expanding area rain from the Gulf of Mexico into the Tennessee Valley. And we'll take a look at that at the surface. This will be later on in the week. Here's the next system that we're forecasting later on. And it brings expanding area rain. And it might be even rain here in the northeast as the 540 line is far to the north. And you can see this is a GFS, brings a mixture of precipitation as it ends back to colder weather. All right, and this will be followed by another cold surge moving into the northern plains, but also bring colder air into the east. Okay, what's next? All right, now we're going to go back to the upper pattern. We're going to look at the period for January 12th to 16th. And what we have here is a trough of low pressure remains near Alaska. You can see right here. And a ridge in the west, across the west central states. And we have a trough here over the northeast. You can see the flow right here. So models of good agreement. So for this forecast period, calling for above normal temperatures here, and I'm forecasting anomalies of 48 degrees above normal. Below normal temperatures forecast here, with anomalies of 46 degrees below normal for precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation here. And the probability of occurrence is near 40%. Then we have below normal precipitation for much of this area here. I think much of the country might be below normal, but for now we're going to keep it here. And the probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%. Now we're going to look at the period for January 17th to the 21st. And we have a ridge across western North America. Still have some troughing here in the east. You can see it right here. Let me see if I could draw it. You can see we have the flow right here. Here's our trough. All right, I don't know how to work this right now, but figuring it out. For this forecast period, I'm calling for above normal temperatures here, and I'm calling for anomalies of near 8 degrees above normal or more across this area here, and below normal temperatures forecast for this region here, with anomalies of 2 to 4 degrees below normal as the trough starts to lift out, and possibly at this time, and this ridge expands. And for precipitation, the change from yesterday, we have below normal precipitation expanding into the plains, and the probability of occurrence is 35%. So that's the long-range weather forecast discussion for January 7th to 21st. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.